Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to pay Apollo Group TV using Cash App, guys. This is super simple, guys. After watching this short video, you will be able to pay Apollo 2 Group with your Cash App. The first is add funds on your Cash App. If you already have got money on your Cash App, you can start from the second. But let's start from the beginning. First of all, you need to launch your Cash App. Then you need to click the bank icon on the bottom menu, guys. Then click Add Cash button, enter the amount of cash you want to deposit on your Cash App, and then tap green Add button right there, guys, and you will deposit money on your Cash App, guys. You can use your debit card or any bank account you already linked to your Cash App. So once you will have money on your Cash App, then you need to buy Bitcoin. To purchase Bitcoin using your Cash App, you need to do these simple steps. Tap the Bitcoin tab on your Cash App home screen, tap buy BTC, select an amount, enter your PIN, and confirm, guys, you will buy Bitcoin on your Cash App. So once you will do these two steps, then you need to go on the third step, which is get wallet address. So to get the wallet address, you need to open your Apollo TV Group portal. You can see the link right here. You need to log in, enter your credentials. Then you need to select subscriptions. On the subscriptions tab, please select package you prefer, then select Bitcoin Cash App option. This is important, guys. From there, you will see your wallet address and how much Bitcoin you need to enter. So now you need to send Bitcoin from Cash App to Apollo Group. So you need to tap the Money tab on your Cash App home screen, tap the Bitcoin tile, tap the airplane button, choose Send Bitcoin, enter the amount and click Send, then paste the recipient's BTC address, guys. We just copied. Tap Next, select Withdrawal Speed, tap Confirm and Send. Now you need to verify the transaction. Tap on Verify Identity. You need to scan the front and the back part of your driver's license, and you may need to take a photo of your face, answer the secret questions, and that's all, guys. You will send money to Apollo TV Group using Cash App. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.